Today we are cooking up some ridiculous food recipes using our computers.
Oh,
Take a look at that.
I've been afraid of eating a little goo.
Oh no!
What did you just do? Oh my god.
My sous chef for this evening, Austin Evans. We're gonna start by trying to bake cookies inside of our cookies. That's right, inside of cookies, which requires us to open them.
I've never delidded a cookie in my life.
Well, not today.
So the idea here is that once this heatsink has been removed off of the CPU die itself, there will be a little bit of space, just enough to load up with some cookie dough. Well, that's a lot.
Oh god.
No, dude, that's so much.
Just want to make sure we fill all the little corners, you know?
Okay, we did fill that up, but we didn't take the goop off.
I'm never afraid of eating.
All right, we're gonna squish this and
That
then
is so much. Are you sure?
remove the excess.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh my god.
It's like a normal cookies. That could pass as normal. Let's throw the cooler on and then we can spin up the system. All right,
Hey.
and it spins. That's a good sign, hey.
It didn't break because there's cookie dough in between something important.
That's what I'm saying.
and
Like,
we're in Windows.
the one thing I've learned throughout all this tech tinkering is everything. Break out the bologna. Oh no!
What did you just do?
Don't mind me. I just smacked the bologna down so hard it crashed the system and
With me. You're supposed to swallow batteries. Right. All right. Would you like to slap the bologna?
I thought you'd never ask.
That has to be the first time that sentence has ever been said.
All right. So I'm just gonna lick this real quick.
Go for it, King.
All right. Bologna batteries are being bolognaed. What's dinner?
Does that have anything to do with the fact that you brought a literal pile?
And the final reveal.
You know what though? That smells like a cooked cookie.
It does. Okay. Verdict?
30% cooked.
Hey, that's better than zero.
So it's less of a cookie chip and more of a cookie paste. Cheers,
Cheers.
friend. Tastes like cookie dough.